Dumbrava Prod is a company specialized in invention, research and development, prototype production, consulting, assessment, and protection. It is organized according to the principle the factory with no employees, having top-class collaborations with information generators on each specialized field. All technical solutions are new concepts, resulting from a global approach of the technical theme implemented on the product. None of them are optimizations of existing products or technologies. Guiding principles. Dumbrava Prod is an applied research firm with its own patented inventions with national and international known achievements. It works like a technical international generator for the modernization of products manufactured by small and medium companies. It offers working products in leasing. We take our inspiration from the technical achievements of nature, and we create products compatible with it. This information is designed for wealthy and resourceful individuals eager to earn more money using technology. Polifunctional ATV. The shown vehicle is a polyfunctional ATV, and its name is Little Bear. It was named Little Bear because it behaves like one. It is very small, very strong, it climbs easily anywhere, it knows how to fall down, it turns somersaults without jeopardizing passengers, and it falls down on its wheels. It has a huge but short trunk, just like a little bear. It is made only from new technical solutions. We can say it is a testing stand on wheels to test simultaneously a lot of inventions, and each of them can be applied individually anywhere. We set ourselves an almost impossible goal: to make a mechanic creeper with ATV's dimensions from a vehicle mechanic creeper with one axle drive. Our new mechanic creeper can drive on any kind of land, however put out of level or inclined. To ensure the passenger's security almost entirely in the case of frontal collision or overturning. To carry 3 people, 600 kilograms of goods, and a 500 kilograms trailer. In the end, we did succeed in the realization of something which initially seemed absurd. Little Bear is a very useful tool for all off-road activities, humanitarian activities, forestry and agriculture, protection, and even entertainment. It has only one limit: Little Bear cannot yet climb trees. Constructive versions. Off-road polyfunctional ATV, made at the level of functional model. We may test, and the results are more than promising. Amphibian polyfunctional ATV. It is a new solution, completely unconventional, which allows the passing from land to water without any driver intervention. We are working at its material realization. All-terrestrial surface polyfunctional ATV. This is something non-existent yet. There are cars driving on land or on water. There are cars driving on swamps and spongy snow. For all these landscapes, however, there is no one motor vehicle invented yet. Our motor vehicle can drive on any kind of landscape, on water, swamp, and spongy snow. It can pass from one to another without driver intervention in a very short period of time, only a few nanoseconds. It is a new technical solution, completely unconventional. We are working at its material realization presently. 4-wheel drive full-time professional mechanic creeper. To make the mechanic creeper, we used 3 inventions from previous projects. 1. 4-wheel drive full-time with interaxial differential from an engine gearbox aggregate specific for 1-axle drive. 2. Self-obstruction progressive differential based on a new principle. The cause produces the effect. Wheel spin produces the progressive differential jam. The solution is applied to all 3 differentials of Little Bear Polyfunctional ATV. 3. Active suspension. Achieves the motion wheel's freedom and keeps constant the wheel ground pressure on all surfaces. The whole of these 3 inventions make a new wheel drive professional concept. Wheel drive capability is 2 times confronted by another vehicle 4-wheel drive with the same weight. It drives on any kind of land, however put out of level, sideways inclined included. In these conditions, it keeps the body position almost horizontal. If one single wheel has permanent adherence, the vehicle goes on moving. Our new mechanic creeper behaves like a little bear. Friendly body. We made the body using the technical achievements of nature. The passengers are considered as the little bear's internal organs. The passengers are protected by some wedge-shaped bars. Fixed on them there are some shock-proof plates. The wedge shape is made putting the driver advanced in the center, followed by 2 seats bench and engine gearbox aggregate. This shape allows eccentric crush avoidance and protects the passengers from upsetting. Overturned, it behaves like a little bear. Upper and lateral bars play an upsetting runner's part. The glasses and ceiling are situated under the upsetting runners to protect them and keep the passengers far from the crush. The passengers' arrangements can be 1. Driver plus bucket with 1-ton weights of good. 2. Driver plus 2 passengers sitting down plus trunk with 600 kilograms. 3. Driver plus 2 passengers sitting like on horseback plus trunk with 600 kilograms.